Hi, my name is Mr. Dillon, and welcome to Oclef Kinder. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the dance band. So let's get started. First, let's place our hands in the right position for the first two measures. Left hand 1 is on A, and right hand 1 is on C. We start with left hand 3. Do you know the name of this note? That note is F. Great, so in the first two measures, we play left hand 3, 3, skip to right hand 1, 1, step up to 2, 3, 4, hold. Good, let's play that again. We play 3, 3, skip up to 1, stay on 1 twice, step up to 2, step up to 3, and step up to 4, hold 4. All right, so the next two measures are pretty much exactly the same. So again, we play 3, 3, skip to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you know the names of these notes? Let's try naming them. So the first one we have, same over here. Let's name this one. What note is this? This note is F. If you'd like to pause the video to keep going and name the notes before I fill them in, please feel free to do so. The next one is F. The next one is C, C, D, E, and F. Yay! Did you get it? All right, let's look at the second line. So in these first two measures, we play finger 5, which is on G in the right hand, hold, step down to 4, hold, step down to 3, step 2, 1, hold. So again, that's 5, step down to 4, step down to 3, 2, and 1. 5, hold, 4, hold, 3, 2, 1. Good. You can go back and practice that with your parents. Can you name these notes? The notes are G, F, E, D, and C. Very good. In the last two measures, right here, it's exactly the same as the first two measures. Again, that is 3, 3 on F, skip up to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's try singing the words with it. People dancing all around, clapping to the big band sound. I can't stop my feet when I hear that big band beat. Very good. To help help your child practice this week, you can make sure their hands are in the right position. So this one has left hand on A, 2 steps below C, and right hand on middle C. We start with finger 3 in the left hand, which is on F, and 1 in the right. Secondly, ask them to name some of the notes like we have here. G, F, E, D, and C, for example. Or you can circle a note over here or over here. So practice this slowly, and then it will become easier to play it faster as time goes on. Last but not least, sing the words with the song. And don't forget to follow along with the tips in the video. Happy practicing!